I am an actor. I'm an actor at Box Clever Theatre Company, which I joined back in October 2019. I have just finished doing Romeo and Juliet. We taught it to lots of different schools and I played Juliet in that. And just before that as well, I was doing A Christmas Carol with Box Clever Theatre, which was also fantastic. Got to play lots of parts and all sorts of things like that. So you're going to see me do a monologue from Romeo and Juliet now, and we'll speak a little bit later as to why I chose that monologue and we'll have a chat about it. But yeah, here's the monologue. What if this mixture do not work at all? What if it be poison? How if when I am laid into the tomb, I awake before the time that Romeo come to redeem me? There's a fearful point. Shall I not then be stifled in the vault, to whose foul mouth no wholesome air breathes in, and there die strangled, ere yet my Romeo comes? Or if I live, is it not very like the horrible conceit of death and night, together with the terror of this place, as in a vault, an ancient receptacle, wherefore this many 100 years the bones of all my buried ancestors are packed, where bloody Tybalt, ever but green in earth, lies festering in his shroud, where, as they say, at some hours in the night, spirits resort. Oh, if I wake, shall I not be distraught, just environed with all these hideous fears, and madly play with my forefathers' joints and pluck the mangled Tybalt from his shroud, and in this rage, with some great kinsman's bone, and with a club just dash out my desperate brains? Oh, look, methinks I see my cousin's ghost, seeking out Romeo, that did spit his body upon a rapier's point. No, stay, Tybalt, stay! I chose to do this monologue because it's kind of the pinnacle of Juliet kind of being a victim to her circumstances, and it's a point as to which everything just gets on top of her. So many things happen to her in the play, and at this moment it kind of shows that like one person can't just get past all those things and be okay about it. She freaks out, and it's honest and it's real, and it shows also how isolated she is in this situation. She's had so much happen to her, so much has gone on, and no one who should be there to care for her has helped her because of some outside situation, be that the family's feud. Means that her mother doesn't help her, her father doesn't help her, the nurse doesn't help her, the friar, although he's helping her, doesn't help her, as we see at the end of the play. So yeah, that's why I chose to do this monologue.